You'll be surprised to find a sociologist in almost every field, from politics and the public sector, the civil service, all the way to grassroots organizations, charities, and industry. Sociological skills are indispensable for most jobs in today's global world. Sociology could not be a more relevant subject to study. It's today more important than ever to be well equipped with sociological skills and the rigorous training that our program will provide. Our world today is connected like it never used to be, but at the same time it remains vastly unequal. We're faced with a series of very important global transformations, such as the rise of global finance and financialization, different types of crises, a migration crisis, economic crisis, political crisis, the rise of nationalism, all kinds of right-wing populism globally. So there are a series of conflicts and tensions that need to be understood sociologically in order to be addressed effectively. London itself is a great sociological laboratory. Many of the changes that we will study in the degree, many of the developments that we will look at closely, start and emerge and take place in London. The financial crisis was inherently connected with the City of London. The environmental crisis is connected with what happens in London, both at the level of politics, at the level of governing and designing policy, but also at the level of protesting and resisting those developments. Here at UCL, we have designed a sociology degree that is able to address the key global changes, tensions, transformations that are faced by our global society. We will look at both the risks that are involved in those important developments, but also the opportunities that can emerge from sociological thinking about those problems. Issues like climate change. A sociology perspective means that students can understand that global interconnected problems require innovative global solutions, importantly solutions that involve society. Sociology is uniquely placed to illuminate what are the actors and what are the solutions that can emerge from the ground level and that are able to address those important challenges. We will cover a range of innovative theoretical perspectives that help us understand the fast pace of today's social changes. We will look at the theoretical and methodological tools that will help our students engage actively with all aspects of today's social problems, social inequalities. Our modules will cover a range of topics, including studying race, gender, sexuality, identity, the economics of our underpinning important social changes, as well as a range of other social science topics that will be available to them as options. Students will have the opportunity to interact and engage with local stakeholders in the City of London, and through this process they will have the opportunity to apply the sociological skills learned in the course of the degree in an innovative and creative way. What is distinctive about our degree is that it offers both the very important theoretical and philosophical foundations of the discipline of sociology, but at the same time it focuses on how these important foundations deal with our present world.